Kids Learning TV. Let's learn meaning, synonyms, antonyms and sentences of word meticulous. Meticulous meaning. In English, giving or showing great attention to detail or very careful. In Hindi, हर छोटी छोटी बात पर बहुत ध्यान देना. Meticulous synonyms: careful, attentive, precise, diligent, exact. Meticulous antonyms: careless, inattentive, sloppy, hasty, reckless. Meticulous sentences: she displayed meticulous skill in painting. She made meticulous exam preparations. He applied meticulous detail to design. Her meticulous planning saved time. She gave meticulous attention to grammar. His meticulous care impressed the judges.